Hey guys, it's Barkat here. So today I am going to show you how to create UTM parameters for your Google Ad account. So first thing first, you should know what is UTM parameter and why it's very important for your Google Ads campaign. So UTM in short is urgent tracking module. It's a kind of tags and you can use these types of tags or URL to track your campaign's effectiveness on your marketing campaign. Also for Google Ads accounts, it's very crucial for measuring ad effectiveness, optimizing spending and refining the target strategies, everything. So let's say you want to track your customer journey. Let's say you want to track the ad copy, from which ad copy or maybe which keywords or maybe which campaign or maybe which ad groups your customer finds you, and you are using a CRM. So these types of tracking stuff or these types of tracking module, this UTM parameters works very great. And today I will share my two best tracking template. These tracking templates you can use either it's in on your campaign level or maybe account level or ad group level or the ad set level, like the ad level. So today I will show you the best way how to set up this tracking template on your Google Ads accounts, and I will share this sheet with you so that you can find the best tracking template from my end. So let's get started. So we use UTM parameter first. You need to have this template, so which I already have. And once you have this template, you need to go to your ads account. For example, I want to add this tracking template on this ad account. So what I do actually, as I mentioned that before, that you can use on the account level either, or maybe you can use on the campaign level, or maybe you can use on the ad group level. Whatever works for you best, you can do. It's totally up to you. So for example, I want to add this on the account level. So if I want to add this on the account level, just select the all campaign and go to the settings, and you can find here a tab called account setting. Click on the account setting. Under account setting, you can find a tracking. This is the options, and on the tracking template, you just need to place the tracking template here. So for example, if I want to put this one, and if I put here, once you copy and paste the tracking template, you just need to make sure all are working. Let's say I just want to test. For testing, sometimes it takes time. Let's say maybe 30 seconds or maybe 1 minute. So it's loading. It's already loaded. So for example, if I want to test my tracking template is working or not, just click on one, and you can find on the top bar or the URL sections, UTM source is Google Ads and UTM medium is CPC, UTM campaign ID, and this is the term, that means keyword, because we are not clicking this landing page or maybe these ads using any keyword, so that's why it's null. And one more thing is UTM content. So this is the content ID, that means creative ID. So once you select any ad and you land on this landing page, you can find the UTM content plus the UTM term. UTM term is the keywords and UTM content is a creative ID, that means ad set ID or something like this. So that means your tracking template is working. And one more thing, so you can use this one also. This is the shortest version, so I mostly prefer this one to use for all accounts, but sometimes clients have any requirement, then I just use this one, this short template. So also you can edit the UTM parameter if needed. Let's say UTM source Google Ads, or you can use Google, or I usually put Google Ads, or UTM medium you can use CPC or whatever. Maybe you can use paid ads, something like this, but I use CPC. And UTM campaign, it should be campaign ID. Sometimes you can use the campaign name, but I prefer most campaign ID, because sometimes for CRM, campaign ID works very best in terms of campaign name. And UTM term is keywords like people saw your ads, let's say from plumber in LN, and they click on your ad. On the CRM side, you can see plumber in LN, one lead came from something like this. And UTM content, as I mentioned, is creative. So yeah, it works. This tracking template works very great with me especially. And as I mentioned, that every time I use on the account level. You can use this UTM parameter on the campaign level, or maybe account level, or maybe ad group level, or maybe the ad set level. That means the Google responsive search or something like this. You can use on the under the responsive search ad. There should be like a URL parameter tracking template you can use on the ad group level, or maybe ad set level, whatever suits you best. So yeah, this is the thing. So if you like this video, also to get this template or get this sheet, join our Facebook group. We created a Facebook group where me and my partner usually helps people who are looking for something like, let's say, Facebook ads, Google ads, local SEO, any types of things in the digital marketing field. We are happy to help you, and there are lots of free resources in our groups, so feel free to join our groups. I will put this sheet or maybe put this all tracking template on our group. Also, I will pin my group link on the first comment. And yeah, see you soon on our group. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe our channels to get these types of tricks and tricks in Google ads or SEO and Facebook ads. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.